when I started my MBA, I and many of my batchmates had to face a lot of challenges. We learned many things the hard way, and I wish that I had someone to guide me through the process. And today I'm making this video to be that guide for you. Hi everyone, this is Vaishnavi Srivastav. Welcome to my channel. And without any further delay, let's start the video. The very first point is do not run away from statistics. It is very important. There will be people in your class who will score very well and will take the GPA high. So don't think that, okay, I'm not scoring well, others are not scoring well, so the GPA will be maintained. No, there will be people who will take it high, and ultimately it will affect your marks, your scores. And apart from this, there are subjects in the upcoming trimesters that will require knowledge on stats. So at that time, you'll face a lot of difficulty if you don't study statistics now. So learn the basics at least, but don't just run away from it. So this is the very first point. The second point is maintain your GPA from the beginning itself, so that you don't have to struggle towards the end of first year or third trimester or second semester if you have semester system, and you don't have a lot of burden in second year also. So what happens, I've seen people panicking and struggling a lot towards the end of first year when it's a question of pass or fail. So just maintain it from the beginning only, and it will be easier for you to sail through. The third point is learn how to differentiate between what is important and what is not that important. You will be burdened with a lot of things, a lot of tasks, assignments, semester exams, quizzes, events, college events, a lot of other things. So you need to know which one to focus on at what point of time, so that you can maintain a balance and you can participate in each and everything and perform well. Also, a very important thing that you need to learn is how to study and what to write in your paper, in your answer sheets. I have seen people studying the whole year but not scoring well, and then there are people who study few days before the examination but they know how and what to write in their answer sheets, and ultimately they score better than the people who are studying all the time. And these are the people who score well also, and who are very actively participating in other events as well, the college events and the case study competitions and other things. So you know how to prioritize the things, how to study, and how to write in your answer sheets. And also there will be people who will say that MBA is difficult and you won't be able to do it, and a lot of other things. So according to me, the thing is that definitely it's not easy, but you should learn how to deal with it. And like I mentioned, if you properly prioritize the things, if you know what to select, what to leave, you will be able to perform very well, and ultimately it will work for you. So this is another point. The next point is work on your CV, work on your skills, work on your personality, the development of your personality. Another very important thing is that try to get placed for your summer internship in the beginning itself. So for example, if in your college the placements are starting from September onwards, try to get placed maximum by the end of November or December beginning, because after that you might have to compromise on a few things. So it's better to get placed earlier only. Also remember that in the beginning you might feel that, okay, now I'm not getting placed, and you might start having that self doubt that I was so well earlier, I was so good at things, also my interview went well, but still I did not get the offer. So the thing is that companies are looking for a particular kind of a person for a specific role, and maybe you do not fit to that criteria, and ultimately they come and select someone else. So don't feel that you were not good, it's just that you were not the kind of person they were looking for. And it is going to happen with a lot of people. People feel very disheartened, very discouraged, very underconfident because of this. So don't let this affect you, and today as I am telling you, just remember this, be prepared and give your best, and you'll ultimately land at a place which is meant for you. So this is very important to remember. The next point is keep participating in events and case study competitions, because you get a lot of learning and experience from there. In first year, it gives you a lot of learning, and then you can use that experience in second year and participate in a lot other competitions, because you would have more time in second year comparatively. And if I talk about the other events, the other co-curricular activities, just be a part of it. Just don't think that I have to study only. No, because after these 2 years you don't know when will you get a chance to perform. Maybe if you're a dancer, you never know when which stage performance is going to be your last stage performance. So after these 2 years, where will you be? You will be busy with your personal and professional life, and life will be very different for you. So just keep participating, be a part of events, and have fun in these 2 years. And this is very important to be taken care of. Next very important point is, a lot of times you'll feel lost, you'll feel that you're alone, and trust me, it happens with a lot of people. Even the top rankers, the toppers, they also feel lost a lot of times. And there will be people who have made a lot of friends by now, who would be having big groups, and you're not a part of those, and you'll feel left behind. But it will take time. See what works for you, see what kind of people you get mingle with. And also you will feel that there's a lot of competition, people are very talented, and how will I stand here, how will I survive here? But trust me, if you are here, if you are in a good B school, there is something in you, there's something very good in you that has brought you till here. You have your own uniqueness, and it will definitely work for you. You will bring something to the table, and that's why you're here. So don't think that way, and give time to things. Things will start working out for you. And yes, just know your worth and enjoy this 2 year journey. So yeah, that is it for this video. I try to club the things and make it as short as possible. Also, if you have any doubts, if you need any guidance, any help, you can connect with me on LinkedIn. I'll put the link in the description. And tap me people, you can directly contact me. You can get my number from your CRs. And apart from this, I hope this video might be useful for a lot of you immediately and also in longer run. So yeah, like, share and subscribe. We'll meet next time. Till then, bye bye.